Hi, unfortunately, we don't have. In this video, we try to explain all details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, reviews, and attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Accept major credit cards such as arrive early, then card arrival. Several rates and offers are policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in